Welcome all. Today I am going to show you how to visualize the mnist dataset. First, we have imported all the necessary files as discussed in the previous lecture. Now I will show one single file from the training set. It shows that a single data has 28 into 28 pixel. So I will import the matplotlib library. I already imported it here. So first I will show now I will show first 15 digits. So I will loop over the first 15 digits and then I subplot it with 5 row and 3 column, and the number of image will be I plus 1, as I will be 0 but actually it is the 1, it is the first image. So now I will plot it im show. Now it's okay. If I see the color map as grayscale, then it will be at this stage. Now I will switch off this x and y tick label. So it's very easy. plt.x tick, and I will fill it as empty, as well as y ticks, and I will fill it as empty. Now plt.show. It shows the first 15 picture has 5 rows, this column. Now if you want to see the pixels of the first image, then it will be like this: figure plt.fig figure size. Now I will add subplot, and I will keep it 1 on 1, and I can define it as x. So in this ax dot im show, I will show the first image of our training set, and the CMap will be gray. Let me check it. Now I will show the color value of each pixels, like this is a pixel, this is a pixel, this is a pixel, all of this. So for this reason I need the width and height of the image, and it is extrain 0 dot shape. For I can call it row, in range w, for column in range height, and I will annotate the x, that means this subplot or this figure. I will annotate each of the pixels. So x dot annotate, and I will annotate it with the pixel value. So I will get the pixel value by this way: first image of the training set, extrain, and then row, and then column. Row and column means is pixel along the row and is pixel along the column. And we have another parameter for x annotate, and that is xy. The xy value will be just reverse of the defected here, like this, otherwise it will not work. So if I want to see it, then like this. Here the figures should be rounded, so I will rounded it up at only 1 digit. It shows the value of each pixels. Now I will turn the value within a certain limit to white and other as black. So for this reason I can define a thresh, and it should be strain dot max divided by 2.5. I set this threshold, it can be other, and here I will define the color is equal to white if x string 0 row column is less than thresh, else it should be black. Okay, it's worked perfectly.